Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at an idiom right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. And the idiom is buy the book. Buy the book? I love books and I love to buy things. But buy the book has nothing to do with buying a book. Huh? Yeah, that would be B-U-Y. But this is B-Y, the book. Oh, preposition, right? Yeah, and it means near. Yeah, but this way, it does not mean near. Buy the book does not mean, hey, over there next to the book. Nope. Buy the book means to strictly follow the rules. Why didn't you just say so? I did. I said, buy the book. When someone says, hey, we better do it by the book, they're saying we better follow the rules strictly. When I get pulled over by the police, they say, well, I'd like to let you go, but I gotta go buy the book. They have to follow the rules. Got it? Why does English say buy the book when they really just mean follow the rules? And what book are they talking about? I do know. They mean the good book, the Bible. Why do we say buy the book when we're not even sure if people believe in the Bible or they study that Bible? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. When we took our idea to the publisher, they said we should do it by the book. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with by the book? Or tell about a time when you did something by the book? Leave it in the comments. Have a great day, friends. Peace.